Hello guys, and welcome once again to this amazing YouTube channel. I want to share with you amazing content concerning the financial markets, as well as going through our strategies, some of our strategies with you here live on the channel. So make sure that you like the video, make sure you watch the videos to the end, and make sure that you don't miss any single video that we publish on this channel. So just going through this week's analysis on 500 we just want to go through what we're looking at for this week, what actually happened last week, which might also help us to see what will probably happen this week through our 500 index. So we just want to go through 500, as I said. Just want to go through 500. Right, this is 500. I want to put the daily that I started with the day and show you how we managed to catch some of the things that happened last week. So this is 500, 500, right? So 500, if you check the overall market trend, overall the external structure, which is this one, the overall external structure, the market has been in a downtrend, right? The downtrend going down. That is the major overall external structure. But in that major downward channel, that means that downward channel always have so many other different channels. This is an upward channel, downward channel, upward channel, downward. So all those are opportunities that one can actually take advantage of. Yes, the market will be in that major downtrend. Those are all opportunities that one can actually harness and actually take advantage of. So right now, what we do whenever we're trading such channels like that, these areas that I'm marking here, those are major swing points where you can actually hold a trade all the way to the top of the channel. For example, if you bought here, you expect it to go all the way to the top of the channel, which is then touch them. So this buy here, that one could have taken down here, you could have held this buy all the way to the top of them. Same as this sell, you could have also held the sell all the way from the top there, all the way to the bottom. So those were swing trades. The first swing trade was this one, this buy here. This buy which happened in July 2022 up until November. So that was actually something like a position trade because he was holding it for months and months and months. So from November 2022 up until January, it has been selling. So we have also held the bottom there, the bottom. So now we're at the bottom of the channel. The best thing that one can actually expect whenever we're at the bottom of the channel is the market to go back up, which is a good observation. But right now we need to go deeper into the analysis and look at what is currently happening. So as soon as the market tapped into this zone, we started to identify to look for we started to look for buying opportunities. since the market tapped into this zone, we start looking for buying opportunities. So going down to 4 hour, going down to 4 hour. If you look at 4 hour time frame, if you look at 4 hour time frame, this is what we're looking at, 4 hour time frame. Right, on 4 hour time frame, here we are, the market tapped into this zone, tap here. After tapping, let me just clear this. After tapping, the market, it actually started to create some very, very interesting levels. After tapping, the market created this resistance here. Let me just mark it in a different color. Resistance, support. So after tapping into the zone, the market started to range. If you look at it here, after tapping into the zone, tapped, created resistance, support, resistance. So this was a range before it broke out of the range. So this is what happened, broke out of the range. After the breakout of the range, the market came back to retest this, what we call a demand zone. That was actually the entry point that one could have taken, the best entry point that one could have taken. The first entry point was this zone here. That support, you would have actually entered there, bought there. As it went and came back, you would have also bought here on the demand zone. You would have bought on the demand there. After tapping into the demand and flying, you would have also bought on this resistance retest here as well. Retest there. So as you bought here, bought there, targets, you're looking at the most next level of resistance or next area of supply or demand. Next area of resistance or next area of supply or demand. If you look at it, let me just clear this zone that I just marked. If you look at it, we had a resistance here. Right. So this resistance was going to be your target. If you check bought there again, it flew all the way, hit your TP here, which was this resistance. Resistance was hit. Resistance was hit, which was the target being hit there. So far, you could have actually made money on that initial move to the upside. So right now, we now want to identify if ever the market, let's say it's going to maybe retrace, where is it going to retrace, and on which zones is it most probably going to respect. So I have a trend line there. Let me just go down to 1 hour time frame. So our strategy is a very interesting strategy because it's a confluence strategy whereby you have a number of confluences basing a number of confluences supporting your trade. It's not only one reason to enter a trade. For example, here support, first touch, second touch, third touch. Here on the third touch, you have actually entered your buys here. First touch, second touch, third touch, you have actually started to enter your buys there. You have also used a trend line. This trend line, you could have also used this trend line. You could have also either you buy there after the break of the trend line, you could have also bought break of the trend line, came back to retest the trend line here. Break, you could have bought, retest, you could have also bought. So you see how many opportunities we actually managed to harness last week on just this January. Last week from the 20th of January up until today, these are some of the opportunities that we have managed to harness on 500, the buying opportunities. So as I marked, that was an entry, that was an entry, that was an entry, that was an entry. The target was there. After the target was reached, so now according to our strategy according to our strategy, this is what happens according to our strategy. If you want to know more about our strategy, kindly WhatsApp us a direct message on our numbers there that is in the description below. You actually get a chance to be part of our smart confluence trading strategies. With smart confluence trading 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0, that's where we go deeper and talk about things like your fair value gaps, your order blocks. We go deeper into institutional trading strategies basically. So according to smart confluence trading 3.0, After this move here, from here all the way to the target, which was tapped there. This was simply the first move. The market always has to come back and do the second move, which is what it actually did in this level that I marked here, which is what we call a fair value gap. We call this a fair value gap or an imbalance. After the market pushes like that, after the market pushes so hard to the upside like that, which is the impulse move. After we have an impulse move like this, always expect the market to come back to that zone where it started the impulse move. Once the market taps into the zone where it started the impulse move, which is here, that's where us as institutional traders or smart traders who are aware of institutional trading strategies, that's where we also enter there as well. In as much as we would have entered buys, but this zone that I marked, it's also a zone for institutional moves where you expect big moves like this ones. Big moves like this ones, they don't happen everywhere. They happen in specific zones like this one, and other zones as well. So after tapping into that zone, the market managed to fly just like that. You could have simply entered your trade just like this. Your stop loss below the level, then your target, you're looking at the zone where it's at the high, the previous high where the market that was a 1:11 risk middle one, which was something worth it. So we're expecting serious moves to the upside since we are now at the bottom of our channel, as I showed you on the daily. So all this I'll be trying to go deeper into the so right now, according to me, I'm now looking forward for the market to come to around this zone here. This is also a significant zone. This zone is similar to this one. These are zones where we expect the market to come and tap. After tap, we have to expect it to fly. So somewhere in this zone, that's where I'm going to enter buys. So we always wait for the rejection, wait for the market to come, tap into the zone and the reject. After the reject, we enter our target. We are targeting the high, the previous high, which is this level. That previous high, that's your first major target. That's your first major target, that previous high. That's your first major target. So far, you need to wait for the market to come to that zone. Why am I considering buys only? It's because the market has stepped into a major swing buying zone. That's why I'm looking forward for buying opportunity. And as well as, according to what's trading 2.4, the market has actually changed the character. We're now in a bullish market structure. So when you're in a bullish market structure, I always look forward for buying opportunities more than what? Selling opportunities. Selling opportunities are just scalps, which are not really necessary. I only focus mainly on the buys. So I also have this channel here that I established. You can also use this target of the channel as your target. So this is the channel that I have. Upward channel, as you can see, first touch, second touch. Most probably when once it taps there, that can be most probably third touch. Most probably third touch. Once it taps there, wait for the rejection. Once you get the rejection, you enter, then hold all the way to the upside, just like that. So this is the best strategy that you can ever use for 500. There's no other strategy that you can use for 500. This is the only strategy that works for 500, which is our smart contract trading 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. So this is how you analyze, this is how you trade, this is how you analyze, this is how you trade. So right now we're waiting for it to grab there into this area here. Then we look for the most buying opportunities. Make sure you like the video because we are going to be releasing such videos on a day-to-day basis. So don't miss any single video.